All right, so once in a while, a deal comes along that you just can't say no to. This thing just happened to be one of those deals. I haven't gone through it. The price was really, really good from, I guess, what I'm told is inside. Again, I don't even know what's inside, so I thought it'd be really fun to make a YouTube video showing what is actually inside. So here we go. Okay, so like I said, I think we go through left to right, and then it'll just be like quickly glancing at each drawer. And then in the future, whatever you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below if you want to see it like get organized, if you want to see me clean this stuff up. I'm thinking a lot of this stuff is going to need to be cleaned. So yeah, here we go. This is a snap-on. Okay. Torque wrench from Snap-on. Nice. This might take too long. I might have to just glance through this stuff. Some type of reader tool. Okay. Just leave that out for now. Yeah, looks like we might just have to. This is just like a toolbox. It feels like there's tons of tools in this thing. Holy shit. Yep. Okay. Looks like a mini impact. It's got a battery in it. Kita. And it works. Okay. Tubes, connectors. Huh. Anyway, let's just try to actually blast through this. Otherwise, it's going to take me hours. So here we go. A lot of stuff in there. Hammer. Lotto ticket. Maybe I won the lottery too with this. Feels like I already won it. Just random junk chain. There's so much stuff. Holy cow. Brush. What are these? Punches. Giant wrenches. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. That is a big one. Taskmaster. How much are these worth? Oh shit. Looks like just hammers and giant wrenches and hammers. Holy cow. Okay. It's so tall, I'm standing on my tippy toes. Sockets. Caliper. Micrometer. Digital one. That looks nice. Wonder how much that is. Man, it really feels like that's this guy's life in here. Holy cow. How long did it take to gather all of these tools? Pliers. Needle nose. More types of pliers? I don't even. Huh. I don't even know what some of this is. Screwdriver set, Mac tools. These gear wrench. Okay. Terminal. Oh, these looks like wire terminal kits. Another one. Snap-on. Little safe It's open. I'll hide that. I don't want the information to be shown. Okay. Holy cow. I think a lot of this stuff will be thrown away, and then I'll probably try selling a lot of stuff. Try to keep obviously as much as possible, but I feel like a lot of this stuff is actually kind of junk. Man, someone really had taken years and years to gather all this stuff. This is crazy. Yeah, so it was the whole toolbox was owned by a shop friend, or he had a customer or something that owed him money, and he just gave him the toolbox with all the tools in it, and my shop friend didn't want it, so I guess I got the deal of the century here. I don't want to tell you guys how much this was, but I think it was an amazing deal. Compression kit. I don't think I'm going to go through all these boxes, but we'll just snap open a few here. Okay. Most of them are there for the tapped kit. Yeah, I think we'll save like another video and go really do a deep dive video. But for right now, just trying to do like a quick overview. This is the big one. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I don't even know where to begin. Oh, that works. There's so many. This drawer alone, I feel like, paid for itself. Holy cow. These are nice too. Man. There's so many sockets. This is unreal. More sockets. Definitely was not organized. So yeah, definitely think in the future we do like a cleaning video, clean everything up, and then figure out organization. I think that'll be really satisfying. Giant wrench. Just a snap-on screwdriver. More massive wrenches. Mac tools. Man, wow. Kind of feel bad. Holy cow. I think these are like $300-$400 a set. Snap-on. Man. Oh my gosh. It keeps going. Oh, that one's heavy. Wow. I don't even know what these are for. Holy cow. Jeez. Holy shit. So some more taps. Jeepers. This is insane. Hey, okay. Well, there's a snap-on one. Impacts. Glue point. Dang. There's so much. Torque master. Okay. Yeah, all of these seem to have stuff in them. They're not just empty boxes, you know? Yeah, these all have stuff in them. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do like a deep dive video at some point. It's gonna be taking multiple videos to probably do. I think we have to go here. Some hubcaps. Yeah, I'm 6 foot tall and I'm standing on my tippy toes just to see those. Oh, pry bars. Okay. Oh, some snap-ons. These are long. Holy cow. Sweet. This is insane. This is actually insane. Craftsman whole saw set. What are these? Cam locks? Man. More sockets. Look at these. This thing's huge. Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh. Good, just nothing. Just normal. Just a massive punch. Holy cow. This is insane. I wonder how many years this guy had this and just been growing this collection. I got to get more info for you guys. I don't even know. Did we go through this one? I can't even remember. Did we go through here? Yeah, I think, yeah, we went through here. And then lastly, hey, that works. I'll have to go through all of this. This is so crazy. Stuff on the door. Another cordless. Wheel puller bolts. What's down here? Air hose attachments. $19.59. Okay. Amp meter, clamp. Pro Diagnostics. These are all diagnostic tools. That one's empty. I wonder if someone got in here before me and took some of the good stuff, but there's still a lot left. Let's open up this one. It is in there. I wonder how much the diagnostic tools are. Check this one too. Sorry about the camera. Gotta do it. Hey, yep. To look up how much all that is. Huh. This is just crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Drop the phone, but we back. I don't even know what that is. DISKV probe. Probe for spark plugs. I don't know. Disc brake caliper set. drill set. Well, yeah, I think so I got the box for, I'm trying not to say the price right now, but I got the box for I think what was a very fair price, and then obviously came with all the tools with it. And so like if it was just the box alone, it would be understandable on the price, but because it's the box and then everything else, I am blown away because there's a ton of stuff here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments and how much all this stuff is about worth. We'll go ahead and see what you guys want to see. If you want to see me go through some more, we can go like in depth. Cleaning, I really want to clean all this stuff because like my hands are already black. So we'll go through, clean it. I'm thinking getting an ultrasonic cleaner and then just whatever solution putting in it. Yeah, let me know. Maybe you guys have a better way of cleaning some of this stuff. But yeah, comment down below how much you guys think this is worth. And if you want to see more videos, comment what the video should be about. And we'll do like a mini series on going through this. This thing is massive, absolutely massive. So yeah, I got to figure out even where to put it. So that'll be the next one. So let me know. See ya. Peace.